Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob and I got another tool haul for you. Sit back, relax, and check out what I got. First up is this textile S-wrench with a partner. It's the Textile Machine Works. So matching set, different years, like you can tell by the logos. But yeah, this is the first, I know they were out there. But yeah, I haven't had many of these yet for the wall. So we've got a AC40 clawfoot, crow's foot, non-Bonney. This is an International Harvester. Phillips. Quite rare. For the refrigeration collection, we've got the RF45A refrigeration ratchet. I did oil this up, so. Here we have this really cool Bonney AT5. But unfortunately we've had damage, so we're gonna have to come up with something to go on the end of this to return it back to Bonney owns them. We've got our 4087. This is an older, that's what, yeah, half-inch. Yeah, this is a half-inch T-bar, but it is marked 4087, which the more modern ones would have a different number on it. It would start with an A, because here is a half-inch. Yeah, half A25. It's a Bonney 25 32nds 12 point, but the A designates the half inch. Where heavy duty, or the D44, is 3/4 inch. Chrome vanadium 12 point. Now we have our P 321 Bonney 9/16 6 point P for pneumatic for power air tool. Next we have the T36 Bonney T-handle. Really cool Bonney Phillips. Here we have the 1731A Bonney wrench, Bonnelloy. That'll clean up really well. Got a 10-inch diamond Bonnelloy. That's really cool. That'll go into the Bonnelloy wrenches. The Bonney 8-inch BW8. Here we have E1416 Bonney. This is a more of a modern wrench. An older chrome vanadium, 1932nd by ½ inch. It is a 1025. Here we have the 1163 Bonney. And here we have a 1725B. 1725 are pretty close. Both chrome vanadium, 1/2 inch by 9/16. 19/32. Really cool Zenel. This is going to clean up really well. This will make a good video. Zenel was the higher steel, better steel. Higher end Bonney. Here we've got this Klein & Sons pair of Lymans. Here's a date code of want to say OLEO. OLEO. Another Klein & Sons. Triangle KEO. So we'll have to look these up. And finally, to round it off, we've got this Crescent. 542-7. And that was from West Highland Shop. Thank you again. I'm going to go on the sticker board.